Gurubhyo Namaha. Today we will start with the new chapter, and the chapter is Business Environment. First, we will understand what is business environment. Business environment means all of the internal and external factors that affect how the company functions, including employees, customers, management, supply and demand, and business regulations. In short, we can say that it is a sum of total of internal and external factors. What are external factors comprises of? External factors include social, technological, microeconomic and macroeconomic factors. And the internal factors include those factors which are found inside the organization which affects a business, such as organization culture, organization structure and management structure. We'll move on with the features or characteristics of business environment. First is your totality of external forces. Second, specific and general forces. Third, interrelatedness. Fourth, dynamic nature. Fifth, uncertainty. Sixth, complicity. Seventh, relativity. We'll start with the first one, totality of external forces. As the definition of the business environment says, it is a sum total of all the internal and external forces which affect the business directly or indirectly. Second feature is your specific and general forces. Business environment consists of both specific and general forces. The specific forces include investors, customers, competitors and suppliers. These forces will directly affect the functioning of a business unit. General forces include social, economic, political, legal and technological conditions. These forces will indirectly affect the functioning of a business unit. So, the specific forces will affect directly and the general forces will affect indirectly the functioning of a business unit. Third is your interrelatedness. Various elements of business environment are closely interrelated. Say for example, increased awareness for health care has increased demand for diet coke, fat-free cooking oil, etc. When there is an awareness created in one product, we will have a subsequent demand created for another product. Fourth is your dynamic nature. Business environment is not static, rather it is dynamic in nature. We have already discussed that business has to be changed or adapted according to the environment. Fifth is your uncertainty. Business environment is very uncertain as it is very difficult to predict the future events. When environmental changes are taking place too frequently, it is very difficult to adapt the changes in your business, but it is a need of the hour. Mostly you find more changes happening in your information technology and fashion industries. Sixth is your complicity. Business environment is very complex as it is very difficult to know the relative impact of social, economic, political, technological or legal factors which have a change in demand of a product in the market. Last is your relativity. Different nations and different regions have different kinds of business environment. Thus, business environment is a relative concept. Say for example, sarees are high demand in India, whereas it is almost nil in France. So, we will recap again the features or the characteristics of business environment. First is your totality of external forces. Second is your specific and general forces. Third is your interrelatedness. Fourth is your dynamic nature. Fifth is uncertainty. Sixth is complicity. Seventh is your relativity. We will move on with the next heading, importance of business environment. The first point under the importance of business environment, it enables the firm to identify the opportunities and getting the first mover advantage. Second, it helps the firm to identify threats and early warnings. Third, it helps in tapping useful resources. Fourth, it helps in coping with rapid changes. Fifth, it helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. Sixth one, it helps in improving performance. We'll start with the first one. It enables a firm to identify opportunities and getting the first mover advantage. Opportunity means the positive external trends or changes that will help a company to improve in performance. Business environment provides lot of opportunity for business enterprises. The business firms which are able to scan these opportunities at an early stage will get the maximum benefit and can leave the competitors behind. Say for example, Devi Lakshmi Industries, which are the dealers in mixers, grabbed an opportunity when the business was affected because of the introduction of the scheme by government where the free mixie was given to the people. This affected their business but did not give up the opportunity. They chose another opportunity of producing the washing machine to meet the needs of the middle and grabbed their market. Second, it helps the firm to identify threats and early warnings. Threats means external environment trends and changes that will hinder a firm's performance. Business environment along with the opportunities provide threats also. The proper knowledge and understanding about the environment helps the business enterprises to identify the possible threats in future and act as early warning signals. So the timely understanding of the environment will make a suitable changes in the enterprise, will give you your signals for your threats, and you can come out of your problems with your business. Third one, it helps in tapping useful resources. A business firm obtains various resources or inputs, and the inputs may be your machines, tools, capital, material, labor, etc., which you get it from the environment, and you convert them into a desired goods and service for the customers. If the business enterprise has a complete awareness and knowledge of external environment, it can tap technology, raw materials, financial resources from the market at reasonable price at the right time. Say for example, with an increase in demand for LCD monitors, firms started arranging raw material for LCD instead of CRT monitors. Fourth is, it helps in coping with rapid changes. Today, business environment is very dynamic. Changes are taking place very fast, and these changes have great impact on the functioning of the business. So it is important to understand these changes as early as possible. Fifth one, it helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. Environment analysis helps identifying threats and opportunities in the market. This can serve as a basis for planning and policy formulation. Last one, it helps in improving performance. Analysis and understanding of business environment helps a business to improve its performance. The enterprise which continuously monitor and adjust themselves according to the changing business environment not only improve the present performance but also continue to succeed in the market for a longer period. We list down again the importance of business management environment. First is it enables a firm to identify opportunities and getting the first mover advantage. Second, it helps a firm to identify threats and early warnings. Third, helps in tapping useful resources. Fourth, helps in coping with rapid changes. Fifth, it helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. And the last, it helps in improving performance. Today, we will end the session with the importance of management. Next topic will be dealt in next session. Thank you.